Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking a super easy Chinese style lemon chicken stir fry. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to do a simple marinade on our boneless chicken leg. I have with me over here 270 grams of a boneless and skinless chicken leg cut into bite-sized pieces. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or Shaoxingjiu. For our Muslim friend, you can omit this. Add in a few dashes of white pepper and give it a good mix. After you mix them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and we'll set them aside for 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. Now we're going to put the dish together. Using medium heat, heat up your wok or pan. Add in a suitable amount of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Add in your chicken. You first need to cook them to about 80% done. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. Spread them out in the pan or wok. This is a very easy dish to prepare for the busy working people or individual. You can marinate the chicken the day before or in advance. And all you have to do is just take them out of the fridge and cook them as and when needed. If the pan gets too hot, please reduce the heat a little bit. You'll know that your pan is too hot when you see too much smoke coming out from it. Another way to know whether the chicken is ready is just to use your spatula, push on the chicken a little bit. They'll feel firmer than before. Right, our chicken is almost done. Now we add in the rest of our condiments. 1 medium onion, red onion, sliced thinly, just put it in. 2 cloves of garlic chop, add them in. Half a lemon, sliced thinly, remove the seeds, otherwise it will be very bitter. Add them in. You just need to fry this or mix them around for a minute or so, just to get all the beautiful fragrance out, and of course for all the flavors to get together. This is going to be so good. Now we add in the juice of half a lemon, and to balance up the taste, you add in 1 teaspoon of sugar. For those of you who like it sweeter, you can add a little bit more. Mix them up again. Oh, look at how good this is. Beautiful. It's almost done now. Now we'll just add in a bunch of Chinese parsley. You can use coriander also, not a problem. Add them in. This is going to give this dish an elevated fragrance. Mix them up. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, it smells really good. Let's try it. And dip it in the sauce. Savory, tangy. I think this is a really good rice killer. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you, bye bye. 哇，酸甜酸甜，好吃。